If you are trying to really beef up your affiliate marketing game, this is the video I want you to watch because I'll be sharing with you how to build an affiliate marketing website this year. This will be a complete guide. So here are the methods I want you to really pay attention to. The first thing you want to do is you want to choose a niche. So if you're serious about affiliate marketing, everything starts with having the proper niche, the niche that you actually connect with, the niche that you really can want to target. Okay, so choose a niche that really is easy, quote unquote, to work with too. Big question is, what are your hobbies? Because to help identify your niche, ask yourself what your hobbies really are. What industries have you worked in before? Because your personal experience will really play an important role in terms of affiliate marketing. What activities do you enjoy and often lose track of time doing, right? So that's really where your passion really lies. And what types of topics do your family and friends usually seek your input for? That will really tell you where your thought leadership really is, where your expertise really is. Okay, so that's really going to constitute the canvas on which you can choose your niche. So choose a topic. So identify your audience demographics. You want to address your audience's pain points. What are their problems, their pain points? You want to establish authority on a topic, and you want to promote products that meet your audience's needs. Don't just promote random products. They have to meet their needs. And check if the niche is popular, because otherwise you can't really drive enough traffic to monetize the whole itinerary, or the whole affiliate marketing itinerary. So check to see if that niche is popular, and you want to join also the right affiliate program. You have in-house affiliate programs. You have affiliate networks such as Share a Sale or AWIN. Okay, and because every affiliate program has a different sort of structure, commission structure, support resources, reputation, quality products, and terms and conditions. So be sure the affiliate program that you have actually is in line with your brand, is in line with the niche you're in, and is in line, most importantly, with what your target audience is looking to buy. So the first thing you want to do after you want to choose a niche, okay? After you choose a niche, you want to decide on a website type. There are a lot of websites when it comes to affiliate marketing websites. You have blogs, you have retail listings, you have product review sites, you have price comparison sites, you have daily deals websites. So you have a lot of strategies to really pursue in that front. Okay, affiliate marketing websites come in all shapes and sizes. So you want to research the top affiliate marketing websites in your niche, and you want to use them as inspiration because you do not want to really reinvent the wheel. Use whatever is working. Okay. Competitor research is also a great way to find gaps in the market. For instance, if most sites focus on written reviews, it's actually better to create video tutorials showing how the product works instead, right? You want to really drive the right traffic to your site. So you can think about blog. So affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money blogging. Blog owners can write about a certain topic and include an affiliate link in the content. Keep in mind that your affiliate links should be relevant to the blog post so it doesn't sound forced or even salesy. You also have retail listings. So this affiliate website type looks like an actual e-commerce store, but instead of showing its own products, the site lists other retailers' items and redirects customers to their platforms using affiliate links. You also have a product review site. So if you like testing and reviewing stuff, consider starting a product recommendation site. You can also welcome contributors to write reviews on items they have used. You have a price comparison site. This kind of site shows visitors a particular product and its prices from different stores, helping them choose the most affordable ones at a glance. Okay. And some of them also feature user reviews and comparisons. You also have a daily deals website. Okay. Customers love a good deal. It's human nature. So by gathering promos and discounts from various brands in one place, you can help people save money while also earning commissions. Fantastic. the third thing you want to do here is that you want to select a platform to create your website. So, with the affiliate marketing niche and website type decided, choose your website building platform. Choose wisely because the platform you select will influence your website's look, functionality, user experience, and maintenance. So pay attention to things like ease of use, customization, price, and support while building your website. The next thing you want to do here is to set up your site. So if you want to build an affiliate marketing website this year, you have to think about site setup. Okay. So since you will use WordPress, this is an example though. You can use other builders. You can use Wix. You can use Squarespace. But if you're going to use WordPress, for instance, you need a WordPress hosting plan to launch the affiliate site online. You also have to register a domain name, which really acts as the address people use to visit your website. So fortunately, some web hosts also offer a domain name registration, so you don't have to buy hosting and domain separately. So that's kind of cool because it gives you a lot more flexibility. Now, let me talk to you about buying a web hosting plan versus actually buying something else. So choosing a web hosting provider with the cheapest plans might be tempting for beginners on a budget. However, I recommend investing in quality hosting for your long-term success because you want to really think about top-notch performance, reliable security, user friendliness, 24/7 support, scalability, and affiliate marketing tools. That way you can really get ahead in your game real fast. And you want to pick a memorable domain name. So if you want to really build an affiliate marketing website, having a good domain name is going to help you big time. You want to have a short, simple, and easy to spell name, okay, for your domain. And also, you want to buy a domain name. So you can you can buy a domain name from registrars such as Bluehost, GoDaddy, Shopify, Hostinger, Squarespace, Weebly. You can also have a domain name checker to make sure that the site that you have, the name that you have chosen, actually is available. Okay, and so once you do that, you have to create your site. So basically, if you were to take the example I took a little earlier, like with WordPress, you just need to follow what the website builder has in place for you. Here you have, if you choose an example of WordPress and also Hostinger, you just follow the steps on the screen to know what works and what doesn't work, and you have to really set up your sites that way. Next, you want to really customize your website, okay? And by customization, I means you have to really adapt the website to your brain. You can choose a template, or you can go through the website builder. Choose a theme. So WordPress, for instance, has thousands of free themes in its official directory, each tailored for different purposes. You can also purchase premium themes from third-party marketplaces like Elegant Themes and StudioPress to get a unique design and better customer support. By the way, you can also, if you were to go to a builder such as Wix, you also have templates there. If you go to Shopify, you have templates there. So you have a lot of players, okay? So so you choose a theme, that's important. And so whatever theme you choose, ensure that it has a responsive layout so that it will look pixel perfect on different devices, on smartphones, on tablets, on phablets, but also on TV screens, okay? So to find out whether the theme is responsive, visit its demo site or a preview version on Google Chrome. That's going to give you an idea. You also want to personalize widget and navigation menus, okay? Because the whole thing is this is going to help you actually make sure that you are customizing the sites that you have, okay? And so if you think about WordPress, for instance, a WordPress website for your affiliate marketing website, think about having WordPress widgets. A WordPress widgets is a block of content that users can add to their site's sidebars, footers, and other areas, depending on the theme. Okay. You also have plugins. You want to install essential plugins. So WordPress plugins can extend your website's functionality without coding. So here are some must-have plugins to improve your affiliate website performance. So you have AIO SEO. So this is actually one of the most popular search engine optimization tools for creating SEO-friendly content and improving your site's search rankings. You also have WordFence. This is a security plugin that protects your WordPress sites from malware, spam, and brute force attacks. You have Smush, which is an image compression tool that makes it easy to display high resolution images without slowing down the website. And then you have Everest Forms, which is really help. This plugin helps you offer a beginner friendly, like you are able to create forms, surveys, and polls through a beginner friendly interface. Next, you want to create good content. So if you want to build an affiliate marketing website, everything actually has to do with your content, right? Content can be videos, can be text, can be audios, it can be anything. It can be infographics, whatever, okay? You have to have a good content. You have to have excellent content. So whatever type of affiliate site you are creating, investing in content marketing is key to driving organic traffic and leads. So when you are consistently publishing blog posts or comparison articles around your niche, both search engines and users will consider you an industry expert. As a result, you will see great capabilities, let's say great prominence, if you will, in terms of Google SERPs. Google is more likely to rank your site higher on the search engine results page. Visitors will trust your opinions more and ultimately make purchases based on your recommendations, okay? So there are three steps to make excellent content for your affiliate marketing websites. You want to research keywords. So because the whole thing is you want to help users achieve goals, solve problems, or find whatever answers they have to their questions, right? So you want to start with your target audience and work backward from there doing keyword research. So by researching relevant queries in your chosen niche, you will know exactly what customers need and what content to write about. There are millions of tools designed to help you conduct keyword research, but I recommend Ahrefs and SEMrush. So after researching keywords, you want to plan the content, okay? So you want to organize the ideas on a Google Calendar to help you stay on schedule. Block some time on your calendar to write, edit, and publish your blog post this year. So when scheduling blog post, prioritize evergreen content that's continually relevant to readers, such as how-to articles and glossaries. You also want to write quality content, so create a clear structure. Be honest, optimize for search engines, optimize your anchor text, and integrate visual elements. So whenever possible, you want to use images, graphs, and videos to break up paragraphs and highlight important points. Visual elements transmit messages faster than text and stick in the reader's memory longer. So that's something to really think about. Next, you want to make sure your site is visible on search engines. So this actually has to do with your SEO, internal SEO, on-page SEO, okay, and SEO in general. So you want to develop a logical internal linking structure. Internal links are hyperlinks that point from one page to another on the same website, okay? And so a well-developed internal linking strategy helps search engines understand the site's structure and assists users in navigating between relevant pages. So you also want to add alt text. So alt text, also known as alt descriptions and alt tags, is a description of images, graphs, or charts in your content. You also want to ensure top-notch performance and mobile friendliness. This goes back to what I said about responsiveness. So apart from high-quality content, page speed and mobile friendliness are among the top Google ranking factors. Okay, so you want to optimize images. You want to use a responsive theme. You want to update software, and you want to use fast hosting. That's important. You also want to publish guest posts whenever possible. That's going to help you drive more traffic because a guest post is a content piece written by bloggers for other publications in exchange for backlinks, which are hyperlinks that point from one website to another. Okay. Next, you want to prepare the necessary documents for your affiliate business. So, you, as an affiliate marketer, you are legally bound to disclose your affiliate relationships with merchants. You'll also have to inform visitors that you earn commissions from promoting affiliate products on your content. So, to ensure that your business is legal and transparent, you want to prepare the following documents. So, you want to have affiliate marketing agreements, a privacy policy. That's going to be very important. A privacy policy. So you can describe how you collect and use the visitor's information. You want to have a copyright notice so you can explain how people can use your website's content and graphics. You have affiliate marketing disclosure and terms of use and disclaimer. So that's kind of a that's going to help you big time. So the terms of use and disclaimer limits your responsibilities for website users' actions such as visitors and contributors. For instance, if you let contributors publish content on your site, mention that these views are their opinions, not yours. Next, you want to choose the best affiliate marketing tools. So if you want to build an affiliate marketing website, you want to think about the best tools on the market right now. Think about Amazon Affiliate Connector. That's a very good affiliate marketing tool. You also have Improvely. That's another tool that's really big this time. You have Grammarly. So is known for writing assistance because you want to review grammar, spelling, and plagiarism. So that as an affiliate, you can write error-free content. Fantastic. You have Thrive Leads. Thrive Leads is a WordPress pop-up plugin that offers various opt-in forms such as inline and overlays and a drag and drop editor to design pop-ups easily. So you do have a lot of tools, by the way. And the next thing I want you to think about is to share links to promote your brand. Okay. So if you want to set up your affiliate marketing website and you want to be successful through that journey, you have to really start promoting the website on other platforms. So you want to invest in email marketing, for instance. You want to use social media whenever possible. Okay. And you want to really think about the best ways to drive traffic to your website. Now, when it comes to driving traffic to your website, you have a lot of strategies. But number one, you want to prioritize SEO. You want to prioritize SEO. With search engine optimization, you can get free organic traffic to your website using popular keywords that resonate with your audience. The more you invest in organic search, the more traffic you actually receive. Okay. You also want to maintain an email list. Okay. Email marketing has an average return on investments of about 380%. Really. That's really huge. You want to stay active on social media and you want to write guest posts whenever possible. That way you can increase actually your exposure. Let me give you a few extras here. If you want to make an affiliate website an affiliate marketing website, think about also videos, not just content. Okay, content is good, but think about all kinds of content. Text is good, but think about videos, think about audios, think about infographics, think about pictures. You want to really diversify things, and also you want to use the right tool to kind of help you in that process. As an epilogue into this conversation, I spoke to you about how to build an affiliate marketing website. I gave you the methods, and now I'm talking about the extras and finally the epilogue. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.